Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to do some actions. Huh? Sit down. Stand up. Turn around. Walk. Stop. Turn around. Walk. Okay. Go back. Go back. You. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand in a straight line. No, you know. Now you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand in a straight line. Okay, you 4. Stand in a straight line. Don't touch. Okay, you. You 5. Stand in a semicircle. See here. Semicircle. Give me a chart, please. Don't touch. See here. Like this. Like this. This is a semicircle. Semicircle. Yeah. You stand in a semicircle. You. Okay. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. Stand in a semicircle. Semicircle. Now form a circle. Form a circle. Yes, very good. Form a circle. Yes, you. Form a circle. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. You 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand in a straight line. Only 3.
3.
Yeah. You 1, 2 from here. Stand in a straight line. Yes, you 3. Straight line. Stand in a straight line. Yes, very good. Yes, you. Stand in a semicircle. Semicircle. Yes, very good. You 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Form a circle. Form a circle. See here. This is a circle. This is a circle. When I say form a circle, in that time you form this like circle. Okay. Drop your hands. Yes, you 3 join here. Join here. Okay. All of you. All of you join there. Okay. All of you stand in a straight line. See here. See here. See here. Like this. This is a straight line. Straight line. Take that set. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay. This is a straight line. No. Okay, now. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sit in a semicircle. Don't you? Sit in a semicircle. You know that sit down, no? Sit down. Yeah. This is a semicircle. Semicircle. Now stand up. Form a circle. Sit in a semicircle. Go that side. You go that side. Okay, this is a semicircle. Semicircle. Okay, you form a circle. Form a circle. Okay, sit in a circle. Sit in a circle. Yes, stand up. Form a semicircle. Form a semicircle. See there on blackboard I wrote that semicircle, no? Yeah. Stand up. Semicircle. Okay. Sit in a semicircle. Okay. Very good. Now stand up. Take your bag. Take your bag. Give me your bag. All of you stand up. Yes, all of you stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You stand up. Okay, first standard, second standard, third standard. Sit in a semicircle. Sit in a semicircle. You join that. Okay. Okay. Sit in a semicircle. Take your bag. Take your bag. From this side, Vandana. Yes, you. Is this semicircle? Huh? Okay. Is this semicircle? Yes, you go back now. Oh, okay, stop. Now take a one book. Take a book. Yes, show me. This is my book. This is my book. Okay. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. Now see me. When I say put your book in the bag. No, don't do. When I say put your book in the bag, in that time you put your book in the bag. This is in the bag. ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಒಳಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Put your book in the bag ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ? Now show me your book. Yes, tell me this is my book. Okay, now put your book in the bag. No, in the bag. In the bag. In the bag. Okay, take once again. Put your book in the bag. In the bag. Don't talk. Just do a action. Only action. Okay. Okay, now take your book. Show me. This is my book. Okay. Put your book in the bag. In the bag. Where is your bag? Go outside and take a bag, no? Go outside, take a bag. Yeah. Take it. Now take your book. Show me your book. Put your book. Don't touch. Don't touch. In the bag. In the bag. Then take your book. Put your book in the bag. Okay. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Now one more action. When I say put your book on the bag, see like this. On the bag. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌದಾ? On the bag ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಮೇಲೆ. On the bag. On the bag. Put your book on the bag ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now show me your book. Put your book on the bag. Only action, not repeat. Okay. Take your book. Put your book on the bag. Put your book on the bag. On the bag. Okay, show me your book. Now, put your book in the bag. Take your book. Show me. Now, put your book on the bag. Take your book. Put your book in the bag. Now take that. Take your book. Put your book on the bag. Okay. Fold your hands. Now one more action. See here. This is my book. When I say put your book under the bag, don't do that. Under the bag ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now take your book. Put your book under the bag. Take that. Put your book under the bag. Now take that. Okay, now 3 actions. Now show me your book. Put your book on the bag. Put your book under the bag. Yes, very good. Put your book in the bag. Yes, in the bag. Okay, now close your bag. Close that. Close that. Close that. Take off your bags. Take off your bags. Take off. Okay. One more action. When I say put your bag in front of you. See here. Don't do. Just see. When I say put your bag in front of you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See here, put your book in front of you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Once again. Take off it. Put your bag in front of you. Take off that. Hey. Okay. Put your bag in front of you. Okay. You. What's your name? My name is. Okay, Poonam. Take your bag. Okay. Put that bag in front of Anjali. Yes. Very good. Clapper. Yes, Anjali, you take that bag. Put that bag in front of Shashikala. Yes, very good. Clapper. Yes, you take that bag. Yes, you put that bag in front of Pragati. In front of andre munde. In front of andre munde. Yes, you take your bag. Yes, you stand up. Take your bag. Okay. Put your bag in front of Aishwarya. Clap. Okay, you take that bag, Aishwarya. Take that. Put that bag in front of Anjali. Okay, this Anjali, no? Okay, she is also Anjali. She is also Anjali. Clap. Okay, now take your bags and stand up. Put your bags beside the wall. Now come here. Form a circle. Form a circle. Don't touch. Don't touch. You go there. This way. Okay, you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, you 7. You 7. Stand in a straight line. Don't touch. Yes, see there. Stand in a straight line. Yes. Very good. Clap them. You clap them. Okay. Form a circle. Yes, very good. Clap them. Then sit in a semicircle. Yes, very good. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Sit in a circle. Yes, very good. Shashikala, give them their bags. Give bag. Don't touch. Okay. Now. Okay. You go there and sit down. Sit down. Now, take a book. Show me. Show me. Tell me this is.
This is my book.
Once again.
This is my book.
Okay. Put your book on the bag. That's very good. Shivaram. Give a book. You take one more book, no? Yeah. Put your book in the bag. In the bag. Yes, very good. Now, take your book. Put your book under the bag. Under the bag. Hey, ಅವನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಿಡು. ಅವನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಿಡು, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ. ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Now take your book. Put your book on the bag. Put your book in the bag. Put your book under the bag. Put your book in the bag. Close your bags. Close your bags. Close your bags. Close. Bag ಅನ್ನ close ಮಾಡಿ, zip ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, take off your bags. Take off your bags. Take off. Now, put your book in front of you. Yes, very good. You stand up. Stand in a straight line. Sit down, Anika. Sit in a semicircle. Sit in a semicircle. Stand up. Form a circle. Sit down. Okay, give them your bags. Give them your bags, no? Give them na. Oi. Sit there. Sit there. Okay, now take a book. Take a book. Okay, now put your book in the bag. In the bag. In the bag. Aishwarya, in the bag. Okay, take your book. Put your book on the bag. Put your book under the bag. Put your book in the bag. In the bag. In the bag. Yes, close your bags. Take off them. Put them beside of you. Yes. Now, put your bag in front of you. Yeah, take off them. Take off them. Okay, put your bag in front of you. Yes, stand up. Yes, you stand up. Okay, you all stand in a circle. Stand in a circle. Go round. Okay, stand in a circle. You all. Okay, don't touch. Okay, drop your hands. Is that circle? Huh? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Close that video. Thank you.